So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll cover the lab that is getting started with Vertex AI Studio. So first of all click on start lab. Meanwhile, in case you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe it and like the video. Now wait for the lab to start. Now we have to open Cloud Console incognito window. In my case, it's signing in automatically. In case you need a username and password, refer to the lab instruction. Now click on I understand. Now we need to navigate to the Vertex AI. So first of all, let's move to the Vertex AI. You can either click on the search box or just select from the navigation panel. So please pay attention to it. This lab is little bit tricky. So let's do it. So from here, you need to click on enable all recommended APIs. And now you can click on the create prompt. Now please pay attention to the steps. Make sure the model is Gemini 2.0 Flash, and also make sure to check the region. Clicking on advanced. As you can see, region is different, so you need to update the region as per lab instructions. So finally, you need to download this file to your local system. So save it to your local system. And now we have to export this file. So for that, you need to upload from here. Upload the file you just downloaded. Now add the title to the image. Just copy this prompt, enter here and click the submit button, basically the flight icon one. And now we will have to save the file. So let me check if there is anything extra. So no, there is no anything extra. We have to save the file and make sure to select the region as per lab instruction. Like in my case, it's US East 1. So now click, just rename it. As you can see, the prompt name updated automatically, but sometimes there is an update in the lab. Then you may have to enter the name as per lab instruction and just leave the default in case they don't ask. So now click on save. This step will take at least 2 to 3 minutes, so wait for it. So finally the prompt has been saved and auto saving has been enabled. Now let's check my progress. We'll get the score without any issue. Now we will move forward to the task number 2, that is exploring multimodal capabilities. So here we have to export the bucket and the bucket file. So for that you need to open the cloud storage. First we need to activate the cloud shell, and here is the online notepad. You can use your personal notepad too. So now click on continue. Now you have to click on authorize. So just click on authorize. Now here you have to run the command present on the lab instructions. So as you can see, this file will download the video on our local bucket. So here the bucket name should be as per lab instructions. So as you can see, this is the bucket name. Make sure there is no extra space or dot while selecting this. Now you have to select all file. You can use any notepad, your personal also, that is present on Windows. Now we have to ensure that the flash file is same, the model Gemini 2.0. So now again go to create model or just click on back. So now here create prompt, then we have to create prompt, no detail is there. Let's create multimodal. So now got it. Now make sure to check the details. So first of all, we'll check the region and update it as per lab instruction. Make sure you don't miss these important steps. Now we have to insert media and import from cloud storage. It will be import from cloud storage, and select your bucket which you just created and select the file. So now here we have to type the prompt. So just type it below the video and click on submit button. Now wait for the output to come. So after that we will move forward to the task number 3, which is very easy but little bit tricky. So please pay attention to all the steps. Now we need to copy the prompt. Now click on create prompt again. So basically we have to create again a multimodal. Now update the region. Now we have to enter in the input field. So enter it here, click on send. Now let's move forward to our main task. That is, we have to check it. So now as you can see, we are not going. Now we will move forward to the next task. First of all, let's just explore it. So as you can see, here is the model which we have to use and the region. And we have to add some examples. So we will, let me check. So you have to delete it. And for adding examples, as you can see, there is no button. So from here, as you can see, there is no option of adding examples. So first of all, we have to do one thing, that is click on clear. As you can see, now the examples adding option is enabled. So first of all, wait. Now here type it, click on examples, then type on the input, then for output field. Now we need to add another example. Now for input example, as you can see, here is the input. Enter here, and for output, select the text, that is answer the questions. So now, as you can see, all the examples are added. Now we have to edit prompt button and enter the prompt. So first of all, let's move to the lab instruction and we have to edit the prompt. So in the prompt field, enter the following. So enter here, and now as you can see, the send option is not enabled yet. So what we need to do, let me show you. Copy and enter in the input field. You have to enter in the input field. Now as you can see, the send button is enabled. Now you have to just click on send button. And now let's see whether we get full score or not. So as you can see, we did not get any score. So wait for the file to save. Also we will debug in case it faces any issue. So now wait for it. So finally we are facing some issues. So let's debug it. Now let's add some more examples to the prompt. So now here, as you can see, the examples have been selected. So for that we need to clear it. Now again select the examples, input the examples, input the output examples, and now wait. So now input it. That is, I fell asleep after 10 minutes. Enter the output. So what kind of output it is, positive or negative. Make sure there is no any extra space. So now after this click on add examples. So now finally the examples are added. Now we need to write it in the input field, and for output enter this. Now click on send button. So as you can see the response is positive. So now we will get the score. As you can see we got full score without any issue. Now last task is very easy. Now it's time for last task. So please wait. Now from here go back to the prompt gallery, that is prompt management. Now from here we will be using this prompt. So the task is designed with prompt, and make sure the model is Gemini 1. So from here go to, let me see, create prompt. Now from here you need to make sure to check the region, that is again updated. You need to use lab instructions 1. Now from here copy this and enter in the system instruction. So finally it's added. Now we have to insert the prompt, that is here, and then click on send. So finally it's time to check my progress. As you can see we got full score, and finally we are done the lab. This was the most descriptive way